Hello reception. Today we're going to be working on maths. And for maths today, we are going to be looking at number. We're going to be looking at numbers up to 20. Right, so let's get started. Now your mum or your dad or whoever looks after you might have to help you with this bit. First, we're going to draw a grid with 10 squares at the top and 10 squares at the bottom. And then we are going to fill them in with numbers. Now, if you are not able to do this or you're not sure of the order of your numbers, your mum or your dad or somebody can help you. Right, now you're going to help me to count along to 20. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when you reach 10, you need to go to the bottom line. And then you need to think, what number comes after 10? It's 11. 11. And then you keep going all the way up to 20. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. When you have your grid that has all of the 20 numbers, we are going to count them together. So let's start. So you should know that the first number that we should start from is the number 1. Here is 1. So you can put your finger on number 1 on your grid and let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, if you reach 20 and you think that you counted along with me beautifully, then I would ask you to ask your parent to press the mute button on this video. And as you see my finger point to the number 1, we can count together if you found it a bit tricky, or you can press the mute button and then you can count the numbers all by yourself. So here I am on 1. Remember to mute me if you already know how to count, or even if you want to have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, using your grid this time, I am going to ask you to find a number. This is to check that you know all of your numbers. Now, I'm going to say the number and you can pause to find that number. When you think you've found it, unpause the video and I will show you where the number is. The number you're looking for is 13. can you find the number 13? Well done. This is the number 13. Can you find the number 18? Great work. This is the number 18. Now let's try the number 6. Where is the number 6? This is number 6. Now let's have a look for number 9. Remember to look carefully at all of the numbers. This is number 9. Can you find number 4? Great work. That is number 4. Let's look for number 20. The number you're looking for is number 20. Well done. 20 is the last number. And your final number to find is number 15. Great work. That was fantastic. Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to point to a number and you are going to tell me what that number is and see if you can get the correct name. So looking carefully, what is this number? Amazing! It is number 12. Excellent work. What is this number? You're doing so well. That is number 8. Ooh, what number is this? Think carefully. And remember, you can use the numbers to help you to count. What is this number? And finally, let's see if you can try this number. Well done, you did really well. I'm very proud of you today. You've done fantastic work with your numbers. Now we've used all of these numbers on here. I am very happy to say you are doing so well. Remember, if you find it tricky, if you are not sure what this number is, you can start from here and count along, just like in a number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next number would be 7. So if you are unsure, but it is fantastic work if you were able to find those numbers without doing that. Now, our next activity for number is a game. Now, I need you to get some pieces of paper and I'm going to play this with just a few pieces. So here I have some pieces of paper and I'm going to just go up to 4. But when you play this game with your family, you might want to go up to 5 or even 10. So I'm going to write the numbers down. So my first number is number 1. Here's number 1. The second number is number 2. And then you're going to write the number 2. Well done. Next number, can you guess, I wonder, is going to be number 3. And then finally, I'm going to write number 4. So there's number 4. So well done. So now you can see my numbers. 1, 2, 3, and finally 4. Now, I still have some cards left over. So I'm going to draw some objects that match the number. I wonder if you can remember what number this was. That's right, it's number 3. So now with number 3, I need to draw 3 things on here. Now, I'm just going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. There are my 3 circles. Now, if you want to, you can draw other things on there. So I'm going to draw some other things on my other one. So you can see I have drawn 2 butterflies. So, let's have a look. I wonder if you know where the number 2 is. Oh, that's right, there it is. 2. 2 butterflies. Now I've drawn on here some smiley faces. Can you count the smiley faces to see how many I have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 smiley faces. Now I have 1 balloon. So now I need to remember all of these pairs because right now I'm going to shuffle them and turn them over. Once they are all turned over, you need to have a try to find the correct pair. So I'm going to turn it over. That is number 3. Then I'm going to turn this one over. When you look at the number and you look at the card over here, you might think, I know how many that is, even without counting. That's fine. I know that's 2. So these 2 do not match. So I'm going to turn them over again. But I'm going to remember where they are. Now, then I'm going to try again. Or if you are playing with your brother or your sister or your mum or your dad, remember to let them have a turn as well. So now I'm going to turn over this card. That's the number 4. I think I'm going to try here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. So now I can keep those cards because I have them correct. Now you keep playing until all the cards are matched and you have finished. If you are playing with somebody else, count the cards to see who is the winner. Fantastic work on that game. Now, for the last part of our lesson, your mum and dad is going to give you a challenge. Now, you can use the cards that you've already used, or you can use something else. Right, you can also use some other things, all the cards that we had last week. So if you want to, you can use the cards that we have just made or the cards that you used in your activity last week. Now, this is what is going to happen. Somebody in your family is going to say a number. It can be any number between 1 and 20. And what you have to do is in your book or on your whiteboard or somewhere, you have to record this number of things. So for mums and dads, if you want to start up to 10 first, just to see how your child does. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to say the number 3. So if your mum or your dad says number 3 on your board, you might write number 3. You might choose to record it in a different way, like this. 1, 2, 3. You might think, oh, I know, I'm going to draw 3 different things. And your 3 different things might be 3 pencils. Maybe you'll decide to draw 3 lovely pencils. Here's my pencil. So I have to make sure that I'm counting as I'm going along. 1, 2, or I just need 1 more. And remember to check your answer as well. So when I think I'm finished, I'm just going to check to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. That looks correct. 3. That's also correct. Now, I might choose to record it in dots. 1, 2, 3. Now, you might notice that these are all in a row, but it doesn't have to be. You can have 3 going this way. 1, 2, 3. You can even have them like this. 1, 2, 3. Because there are still 3 objects or items or marks in each set. Now, you might try something even more exciting. Maybe when your mum or dad says 3, you might find 3 objects in your house like this. 1, 2, 3. Now, the objects do not have to be the same. So you can see here, I have 3 pens that are all the same, but they can be 3 different objects like this. 1, 2, 3. So you can see I have a bottle of water, so that's 1, a spoon, that's 2, and a packet of pasta, that makes 3. See if you can count them all together. 1, 2, 3. So if you look at my book now, I have so many ways of recording 3. These are all different ways of recording 3. So you need to remember when you are working on your maths that you can record in all different ways. Now, have fun with your learning and do great counting. I really want to hear from you. And remember to send myself and Miss Heslop some beautiful pictures of you working hard at home. And remember to work hard with your families and stay safe and stay inside. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you for your next lesson.